Hello and welcome at Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US based stocks. Today we will talk about XOM Mobil, traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name XOM. Well, XOM Mobil was analyzed previously at our channel. We're happy to see that it behaves as predicted, and now what we see already the third trading session is kind of a recovery kind of behavior, but actually what we see is a U-shaped behavior after being a little bit higher levels above moving average 20 two trading weeks ago. The price is now making a U-shape and coming back, and today we are actually volatiling around moving average 20, momentarily forming a nice white candle. We will see how it will end up at the end of the day, but overall some expectations can be set here for XOM Mobil. For the company, it's still a little bit puzzling the way it will go in general, because its earning report is planned at November 9, 2020, so there's still several days to go, and once this is released we will know more about the company. But overall indeed did decline severely after trying to recover and ending this try at about 8th of June. We see going from 54 all the way down till 32, even lower, and this is actually a quite significant gap to be filled once the good news are released, but these are more related to general market in which XOM Mobil is working. It will be more market effect rather than a company effect, but of course companies technicals and fundamentals will work together. At the moment what we see, the way of action we see, it is actually a situation when you have 250-20 pattern, when moving average 200 is on top, then 50 and 20. Usually this is the case for declining stocks, and indeed we see that XOM Mobil is declining already actually 5 months in a row. And once the price goes too deep in comparison with current level of moving average 20, we saw it several times happening, then moving average 20 starts to work as a magnet, and this took place, for example, at the beginning of October. Similar situation is now taking place here as well. And last time when it happened at the beginning of October, then this action was finished about 10th of October. The price was not strong enough. The action was not strong enough to keep the price above moving average 20. So moving average 20 worked both as an attractor and also as a resist line. So we were volatiling on it. And then at actually about 20th of October again decline started. Now we see similar situation. We see recovery, and we are now volatiling at moving average 20. Most probably the trade will end somewhere in the vicinity of moving average 20. Now then the question will be where it's going to go. Well, technically speaking, again before the news, it might be that some positive news expectations might be settled here, and therefore the price still might go higher. And another difference with the previous this return wave that we saw in the beginning of October is that the moving average 20 is actually now bending. So it was going declining, now it's more bending and kind of trying to recover. If you would plot it like this, so kind of trying to change, go upwards. So changes first derivative to positive one, and it's actually second derivative is still positive, so it's kind of trying to go upwards. And if this would be confirmed indeed, or at least momentarily, this might create kind of a pop-up still. So in the very short-term basis, the price level is expected to reach at least moving average 50 here, so about the level of 35.81, and then actually the news will decide. So this would be, let's say, most probably the before earnings report price, because we see quite strong action here, and then it will be the action of price will be decided by the news. And if news will be positive, we can have a gap up higher to the level of the previous bottoms, which are actually here, and then some significant upwards move can start, and this will be then the level, at least the first stop will be at the level of 40. Should the earning reports be not that, let's say, impressive, or maybe the expectations will be not that impressive for future, then the price will volatile again between let's call this channel, if we will call this one S1, S2, then the price will volatile below S1 actually, and this downwards channel now, which we see formation of. This one will continue, and probably we will have deeper and deeper waves ongoing here. Another thing is that the top of the channel that started even, actually you can say, in January 8 and still declining. We can clearly see it. Let's call it R1 the top and R2 the bottom. You see it's very slowly narrowing, and we see the price is actually jumping in those levels. In that sense, if news will be negative, or let's say not that impressive, we can again expect decline towards R2 levels, but then technicality will be stronger and go up. But still, again, as it was said at the beginning, momentarily it's quite bullish, so it is expected with a high chance to sit at S1 just at the earnings report moment, because together with the price action, also we see that RSI is ongoing higher, and now it's in the middle of between overbought and oversold, so it means that it could move further easily. Also, if you look at MACD here, well, this is not really decisive because it was higher, went a little bit down with this price action going down 3 trading sessions ago, and now it's again in the positive area. So not that bullish behavior from MACD point of view, but RSI and in general action and the bending of moving average 20, these are kind of suggesting that at least we will spike somewhere in between the corridor of triangle, actually S1, R1, and then news will decide. So this is really hard to say from technical point of view. Its destiny will be defined mainly by earnings report, and then if it will be negative, we will continue trade between R1, R2. If positive, we will probably return to S1, S2 channel. We'll come back later after the earnings report for this quarter for XOM Mobil to see how it develops and to understand what will be the next future for this one. This is all for XOM Mobil in current episode. With this having said, also please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, view another videos of us. Therefore you will see another interesting stocks and another interesting discussions for entering at US based market.